Hello everyone. So this is the second lecture of heterocyclic chemistry. So basically we are going to take the reactions and the chemical reactivities of pyrrole. Pyrrole पहला member है जो heterocyclic का हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. So let us start that. Firstly we will do the reactions. कैसे बनाते हैं इसको. After that physical properties, chemical properties, कुछ named reactions हैं. नेम डायरेक्शंस ही इसकी पेपर में आती हैं मेनली क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दैट. मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो इसकी अपलोड कर रखी है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें जिन्होंने नहीं किया हुआ, सो दैट यू कैन गेट द अपडेट्स एज वेल. So now we are going to start the methods of formation of pyrrole. The first method is from bone oil. जब भी हम पायरोल को सिंथेसाइज करते हैं फ्रॉम द बोन ऑयल, इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड. बोन ऑयल जितने भी जैसे सी एनिमल्स हो गए, उनकी बोन में बहुत सारा पायरोल का कंटेंट होता है, रिच ऑयल है वो. तो हम करते क्या है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द बोन ऑयल. ओके, बोन ऑयल लेने के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू डू एडिशन ऑफ एनी बेस. When we are adding base, तो जितनी भी हमारे पास बेस किसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा, अगर आप ध्यान से देखो बेस एसिड को अट्रैक्ट करता है, तो जितनी भी एसिडिक इम्प्योरिटीज हैं वो निकल जाएंगे. तो कैन आई राइट बोन ऑयल फ्री फ्रॉम एसिडिक इम्प्योरिटीज. एसिडिक इम्प्योरिटीज. आफ्टर दैट इफ आई एम गोइंग टू एड एसिड इन इट, तो एसिड डालने से व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, बोन ऑयल फ्री फ्रॉम बेसिक इम्प्योरिटीज. बेसिक इम्प्योरिटीज जितनी भी हैं they will remove from the bone oil. After that there is a famous process that is fractional distillation. So fractional distillation is a method by which you are getting the different fractions of an element depending upon the different temperatures. So this is process which require heating as well. So we require heating for this method, and after some time we are getting pyrrole fraction at a particular temperature that is between 373 to 423. Fractional distillation is a process in which you are going to heat a compound, और हीटिंग के बाद डिफरेंट फ्रैक्शंस हमारी आने लग जाती हैं डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे. सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्रैक्शन एट अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर. आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड बेस अगेन. ओके, सो वी आर गेटिंग C4H4A, and after that when I am going to do the steam distillation for getting the purity one, so what we are getting pyrrole, C4H4N. So this is the first method of synthesis of pyrrole. And as such अगर 5 नंबर में आता है क्वेश्चन, तो हो सकता है कि आपको जर्नल ये लिखना पड़े, बट आउट ऑफ दीज 5 or 6 method, this is the least important one. Separately it can't be asked in any kind of paper. The second one is from succinamide. Okay, what is succinamide? Succinamide में there will be a 5-membered ring. 2 double bond O होते हैं. In the center we are having NH. So this is known as succinamide. Succinamide, when we are going to react with zinc dust, so what it becomes? It becomes pyrrole. What is zinc dust doing? Zinc dust always occur reduction. हमेशा reduction में help करती है. So what we are getting? We are getting the pyrrole at the end. Third reaction here from furane. Yes, so this question can come in 2 number for BSc student. How you will convert furane into pyrrole? So this question can come in 2 number in any kind of BSc paper. Okay, so what we have to do? we have to take furane. Furane is going to react with ammonia. When furane react with ammonia in the presence of alumina and 400 degrees Celsius, this is a sport. जिसके ऊपर reaction होगी. Alumina is a material. It is a kind of sport on which reaction will proceed, on which you are going to add furane, on which you are going to add ammonia. Okay. So what we are getting after the reaction? We are getting the pyrrole after the reaction. So this is the next part. Okay, this is the third reaction. Again, this one is important for 2 marks only. Now the next one is Paul-Knorr synthesis. This question is the most important one. This chapter is having 3 named reaction. It can come in 5 number as well with mechanism. Okay, it can come in 3 number as well, 2 number as well. So what we are going to take? In this method, when 1,4-diketone is heated with ammonia or a primary amine, so we are getting pyrrole derivatives. What we are getting? We are getting pyrrole derivatives. So I'm just going to write the mechanism. So write side by side with me, because in the organic chemistry, it is very important to write the things. When you write the things, it will be clear in your mind how to approach the reaction mechanism. So what we have to take in this 1,4-diketone. 1,4-diketone means, see the structure. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. On first position, fourth position. 1,4. Which functional group is there? Ketone. So it is 1,4-diketone. When 1,4-diketone, it reacts with ammonia or primary amine or hydrazine. 3 type of things you can write, beta. You can take ammonia as well. You can take hydrazine as well. You can take any kind of primary amine. This reaction will proceed in the same manner. So suppose I am writing with ammonia, but it becomes ammonia is electron-rich species. Everyone please see carefully. This is very rich species. Rich species means it can act as a nucleophile. This carbonyl carbon is always electron deficient in nature. So rich one always go to the electron deficient. Okay. So what it becomes when it will come O negative. This kind of thing is there. So please see, I'm just going to write the next step. So what we are getting here, we are getting this kind of thing. This is O negative. This is N, H, H, H. This will be positive. Here R is there. Is this okay for everyone? When we are going to take this kind of thing, we are going to get this kind of structure. So what it becomes? Nitrogen ने अपने electron donate किए थे. That's why we are getting positive charge. So what will be the next step? Can O negative will get H? निकल सकता है ना H positive. और जो ये दोनों के दोनों electron है, it will go to the nitrogen. So what we are getting here? I am making the structure again. So we are getting NH2. We are having OH. We are having R. Is this okay for everyone? Okay. So O negative will take H. It becomes OH. इस कार्बन पे NH2 and R. ये रह जाएगा. After this, this is again a electron-rich species. Where it will go? It will go to carbonyl carbon and it becomes O negative. So can I make the structure R O negative? R O negative. Here I am making N H H, and here it is R, here it is OH. Now this becomes NH positive, NH2 positive. Why? क्योंकि ये NH2 ने अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको दे दिए थे, डोनेट किए थे, दैट्स वाई पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज हेयर। और जब इसने ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर लिए तो O के ऊपर आ गया नेगेटिव। तो कैन O नेगेटिव टेक H? अगर ये इसको लेता है, दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन गोज टू दिस साइड, तो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग आर OH N H R OH. This we are getting. Okay. After that, we know that already H's are there. H है ना यहाँ पे, एक दो H है. So what we can get? अगर यहाँ पे H है, तो can we remove water? Yes. See this. This H goes to this side. These electron basically. Sorry. And ये बाहर. ये दो के दो बॉन्ड. इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे शिफ्टिंग से ये बाहर. So what we are getting after the end of the reaction, here double bonds are there, R is there, and here we are having NH. So this is known as Palnor synthesis of pyrrole. I am repeating again, so please listen with carefulness. So ammonia, hydrazine, primary amine, anything you can take. लेना क्या है साथ में? We have to take 1,4-diketone. When you are taking 1,4-diketone, these are, जिसके पास lone pair है, they are electron rich species. क्रैम मत किया करो, electron rich हमेशा electron deficient के पास जाती है. और जो कार्बोनिल कार्बन होता है बेटा, वो हमेशा क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट. तो इट विल अटैक हेयर. व्हेन इट विल अटैक हेयर, तो अगर आप इसको आगे मूव नहीं करोगे तो कार्बन के पास तो 5 बॉन्ड हो जाएंगे. इट विल बी रॉन्ग. सो इट इज कमिंग टू द ऑक्सीजन. So we are getting negative charge over the oxygen. N becomes positive because it donated electron. We are having this thing. After that, O negative will take H. These two electrons will go to nitrogen back and positive charge will be vanished. खत्म हो जाएगा. Again, in the next step, this is the electron rich species. This carbonyl carbon, it is electron deficient. Okay, carbonyl carbon is electron deficient basically. It will go here and it becomes O negative. After that, O negative will take H. This comes to the nitrogen again, we are getting pyrrole. So this thing is known as Palnor synthesis of pyrrole. लेना क्या है? 1,4-diketone plus ammonia. It leads to give the formation of pyrrole. Okay, so this is important. It can come in 5 number. Everybody please prepare carefully with the mechanism. And in the mechanism, whatever I have spoken during the mechanism, you have to write carefully in the paper. So bye-bye everyone. 2 methods are pending. We will do in the upcoming videos. ओके और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें अगर मेरी वीडियोस आपको समझ आ रही हैं, अच्छी लग रही हैं, और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए. नोट्स विल बी अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. बाय बाय एवरीवन.